case scenario, the rest of the tree fell last night. Pretty much destroyed the truck, and the whole back end of the barn's collapsed. So we're fixing to pull this truck out of here and hopefully salvage what we can. The cab's pretty much shot, I'm afraid. I'll bring you back. Pretty much destroyed the building though. Oh yeah. Yep. She's a goner, cab wise anyway. Let's see what this looks like. Pretty much, if it hadn't have took out this center beam, it'd been alright. That's inside, don't look too bad. It's two before it fell off, but it's definitely got a big limb sticking in there. Of course, I don't know how much damage it did to them old plows back there in the back. Probably tore them up. I see a big limb sticking down through there. But luckily, nothing in the main area here got damaged. So most of all my tools are right here. Lots of dollars worth of tools. So we're going to start moving stuff out of here and trying to get a path cut to where we can get into the lot here. So I'll keep you informed. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, we got the truck out and I put some stuff over here that wouldn't hurt to get wet. And yeah, see it pretty much broke these old rafters. Got my big tool cart out and all my stuff, battery powered stuff and electric stuff, and I had to move parts washer away from right here because this big old limb sticking down through the roof right there. And we got all the limbs cut out of the roadway, out of the driveway, so we can at least get into the lot here. But looks like it's going to be a complete rebuild on this one. And I'm hoping we can get the rest of this tree took down before it falls, because the other limb is the one that's over this corner right here. It's this big limb right here which would catch the corner of the barn right there. And I put the truck out here in my other barn. Cab's pretty much totaled on it. No saving it, I'm afraid. So we'll have to come up with a different cab, and probably have to wait till I get another shop built before I even. Also, it did get the passenger doors damaged pretty good. So the driver's side door was in here. So far, the paint booth held up. Probably because those 2x4s was up holding the plastic up, and that's kind of helped strengthen everything. You see it knock these slap off. I'm kind of afraid to get in here to get that out, and so for right now, until they get the tree off the roof, it's going to stay like it is. Really ain't got no place for it anyway. And it also, our gate power supply got knocked off the outlet over here, and I can't. Oh, there it is. I see it hanging right there. It looked like it's broke it, so it ain't got enough wire to reach. I don't know if y'all can see it hanging right there or not. Right there. Seeing where it broke. Looks like it's broke the case on it. So basically, we're on battery power on this gate. We'll probably end up having to take the cylinder off and just open it and close it manually. So Anyway, I'll keep y'all posted. Thanks for watching.